Hello, I'm Anton. Today is day 46 of $3 Crypto Habit. Here's a record of my crypto purchases on February 25th, 2025. As usual, I bought Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. This video doesn't just showcase how to buy crypto with small change, but also includes lessons about crypto, starting from the basics and progressing in depth. So, watch this video until the end and don't forget to subscribe to ensure you learn more about the world of crypto at a higher level. This will make you more confident about starting to invest. Before we get into today's topic, for those of you who like to ask what apps I use to buy crypto and whether I use AI, see the answers in the description of this video. Today's topic is perfect for beginners. What is Bitcoin actually used for? Many people think Bitcoin is only for trading or making quick money. In fact, Bitcoin's original function was as a payment method without intermediaries. Bitcoin was created to give people a way to send money to anyone without going through a bank, without third-party approval. For example, you want to send money to a friend abroad. Using a regular bank can take 2 to 3 days and be expensive. Using Bitcoin? It can be done in minutes, instantly peer-to-peer. But currently, in many countries, including Indonesia, Bitcoin is more often used as an investment asset than a means of payment. Why? Because regulations aren't 100% supportive. So I use Bitcoin for long-term storage, not for shopping. If you're still confused about Bitcoin's function, watch this video with your family or seniors at home. See you on Ethereum tomorrow.